Hey there, my friends in the Western Pacific. Now, I don't have enough time to do a full-on update today, but I did want to quickly touch in on no longer 92W, it's actually 93W, which is this broad area of convection, basically just towards the north of Yap. Yap's right there. There's your convection. Still have some monsoonal flow kind of wrapping in behind it. If you take a look at the bigger picture, you still have the rainy season front back towards the north. Still got scattered showers across the Philippines, kind of getting wrapped up in there. That's where the ITCZ is at this time. And you see in the guidance from the ECMWF, you have that broad circulation right in there. And as we go ahead, let's start off here with Sunday, going over towards Monday, and even over towards Tuesday. This all just kind of pushes off there towards the north and west, bringing increased showers here across much of northern Luzon. Actually, it's really through the afternoon hours right there. I mean, this is going to be Tuesday evening. Some of the heaviest of the precip there across Cagayan Valley into Manila, and still got the flow kind of wrapping it around there with showers all up and down the east coast. So it's a big blob, a big rainmaker. Probably not going to get a tropical depression out of this, but definitely plenty of rainfall. Then we look ahead into Wednesday over towards Thursday. That continues to move towards the north and west. You get that big monsoonal kind of gyre off there towards the west. That's going to continue to pull in that moisture in from the southwest. So when we talk about, kind of where this rain's going to be coming from, it's mostly the monsoonal flow. And even as we go ahead into next week, you still see those scattered showers kicking in, all thanks to possibly another low developing out there in the Philippine Sea, pulling in that moisture as well. So there is plenty of tropical activity in play at this time, but at least no typhoons or anything like that in the immediate forecast. Anyways, that's just a quick look at what's going on out there. I know you guys like the outro, so I'm still going to keep that in this really quick update for you guys. But as always, thanks for watching, and of course, stay safe out there.